Hello everyone, this is Ashok Chaudhary and today we are going to discuss on something which is very essential during debugging. As you could see in the last video, we have taken one example where we opened the SAP website and tried to log in by giving email and first name. So today we'll discuss some debugging method that are element on element vanish, wet element vanish, and find element. For this, let's take the same example which we took last time, which is very simple in nature. That is, it will open the SAP website, log in, it types email and type first name. Before typing email, as you can see in target, you'll find timeout millisecond. By default it takes 30 millisecond, right? It basically takes at least 1 or 2 seconds to appear that pop-up where we can fill in this email. Let's manually give it as 0 millisecond, right? So that we can get some error, right? Or maybe we can give 1 millisecond. Okay, done, right? Just give it. Okay, maybe we can give it from here. Yeah, let's make it 10 millisecond. All right, it is set for 10 millisecond now. So ideally we should get an error pop-up, right? So let's check it. All right, so we have started execution, right? So it will open the browser first. As you can see, the robot has started its execution and it is opening the SAP website, right? Alright, so it has clicked on the login icon and here you can see the error. So what kind of error it is showing? First we'll just try to understand. It says that message cannot find the UI element corresponding to this selector. So this type email, this email failed, right? This did not appear and couldn't find the element, right? Because we didn't give enough time to find this element, and then this error came, and then this email ID field came because it took some time after clicking, right? So in day-to-day in production environment, you'll find several issues like this. So in this case, what do we do when we are not sure like how much time it takes? So for this we have some solutions. As I said, like three types of element exist, features are there. So we'll try with the first one, right? Okay, all right, we'll just click OK and we'll just close this one, right? All right, okay. So first one will check with the find element, right? So what we need to do is we'll just keep this find element activity bit after this click on the login button, and then I will just indicate which field it should find, right? So for that, what we'll do is we'll just log in to our SAP website, open the SAP website, and we'll just click here. So basically we are checking here if email address field exists, then we go ahead and fill the email ID, right? So for that we'll just indicate on the element screen and then keep here, just click on icon, right? So it says like find element level, find the element, and then what it does is it will go and fill this email ID, right? Okay, so let's try this one if it works or not, right? Okay, we'll just save it and we'll just run. So it's opening the SAP website. I clicked login button. Here it goes. So it's working, right? So this is one of the way where we can actually debug it and find whether it has any error or not, especially for the time syncing issues, right? So another method you can see is element exist, right? So what we can do is we'll just remove this one, right? So we'll just place element exist here, right? So we'll just click one more time so that okay, so it appeared now. So we'll indicate the same. Let's close this one. This pop-up comes sometimes. Okay, here we'll click here, right? So what it does is after clicking on the login button, it will check whether the element exists or not. If element exists, then it will go ahead and perform this. And well, let's say we'll give some message for that one, right? So we'll give some variable, output variable, let's say element exist, right? Control K, enter, give name element exist, not available. Okay, so it may not take this. So let's say exist, right? So as you can see, the variable is stored and it's stored with exist. So what we need to do is now we'll just go ahead and let me click 100% zone. Okay, we'll insert one message box activity here, right? And select element exist. Right? Let's run this and see whether it works or not. Alright, so we'll just save it and we'll run. it's open. Alright, so now, yes, as you can see, it identified this email address element, right? And then it displayed the message as we had inserted the message box activity. Okay, and if you click OK, it will further go ahead and complete its execution, right? So it's filling the email ID and then first name, right? So it's working. So there is another activity which is element vanish, right? So what exactly it does is wait element vanish, is it will wait till the element gets vanished and then proceeds further for the activity to complete the execution. So I hope you can try this on your own. So this is all we can use during our debugging, especially for the time syncing issues, right? Alright guys, thanks for watching the video.